Hello everyone! In this video, we'll go through 10 warm-up exercises to do before starting your drawing session. These exercises will also help improve your line control and drawing skills. You can do these exercises either in drawing programs. I'm using Procreate. Transform your Procreate projects with more than 4,000 brushes, fonts, textures, and 3D models available in the Brush app. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen to access them now. So, let's get started. 1. Parallel lines. In this exercise, you need to draw vertical parallel lines within an imaginary square. Try to maintain equal distances between the lines and ensure they are all the same length. In the next square, draw horizontal lines, aiming to keep the square the same size as the previous one. Draw quickly, even if it's not perfectly straight. Over time, you'll notice improvement in this exercise. Now, draw an imaginary square with diagonal lines. Draw another square with diagonal lines going in the opposite direction. Continue drawing these 4 squares, filling the entire canvas. If you find this exercise difficult, draw a square and start drawing diagonal lines within the square, trying to keep the spacing even. 2. Atoms. In this exercise, draw any circle. It doesn't need to be perfectly round. Then, divide the circle by drawing ovals inside. Don't use any circle or oval alignment functions. Just draw by hand, practicing doing this yourself. Try not to go outside the edges of the circle. 3. Coin flipping, draw 2 parallel straight lines. Try to draw a circle. Imagine the circle as a coin slowly flipping between the 2 parallel lines, as if you're holding it by the edge and turning it. Draw the transition from a circle to an oval. Repeat this exercise by drawing the guidelines at an angle. 4. Half ellipses. Draw half ellipses of varying widths and angles in this exercise. This exercise helps you draw rounded shapes more easily and quickly. 5. Squares. Draw a large square freehand, then fill it with smaller squares, trying to keep the spacing even. In Procreate, there's a streamline function that allows you to draw perfectly straight lines effortlessly. However, if you want to improve your sketching skills and be confident in both digital and traditional media, do these exercises freehand without tools. 6 S-lines. Draw a curved line resembling the letter S and try to make each successive line similar to the previous one. Then, draw in the opposite direction, filling the entire sheet this way. 7. Connecting dots. Randomly place dots all over the canvas. Connect the dots with straight lines without using streamline. Connect dots that are not only close to each other, but also those farther apart, making lines in various directions. This exercise may seem simple, but it's great for practicing drawing straight lines. Eight. Connecting dots with curves. Like in the previous exercise, randomly place dots over the canvas. But this time, connect the dots with curved lines, avoiding crossing any of the other dots. 9. Shape slicing. Draw any shape. In this exercise, imagine these shapes are 3D objects, and we'll slice them as if cutting through them. Draw a central axis for the object, and then draw lines along the shape as if you're slicing it into equal sections. Draw dashed lines to represent the cuts we can't see. Repeat the process with the second object. You can also slice these objects in another direction. Ten boxes. In this exercise, Draw rectangular boxes in different proportions and at different angles. Also, Draw the invisible edges with dashed lines. Do these exercises to improve your drawing skills. I hope this video was interesting and informative for you. Like this video, comment on which exercise you liked the most and which was the hardest. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to ensure you don't miss our new tutorials.